Warm greetings, music enthusiasts. Today's topic is all about piano chords. These are simply groups of notes played together, creating harmonious sounds that form the backbone of every piece of music. Understanding piano chords is the first step to mastering the beautiful language of music. Now, if you're wondering what chord progression is, you're about to find out. Picture chord progression as the order of chords played in a song. It's like the backbone that holds the melody together, giving it structure and form. Grasping this concept can unlock a world of music for you, enabling you to play countless songs with ease. Think of it this way: chord progression is like a map, guiding your fingers on a melodious journey across the piano keys. To help you on this journey, here are 5 tips to learn piano chords. First, consistency is key. Make practicing piano chords a daily routine. Your fingers need to develop muscle memory, and regular practice is the best way to achieve that. Second, start with simple chords. Don't rush into complex ones. Master the basics first, like the C, F, and G major chords. Third, make chord charts your best friend. Visualizing chords can significantly improve your understanding and recall. Fourth, listen to music with a keen ear for chords. This will not only develop your ear, but also give you a sense of how chords work together to create harmony. Lastly, utilize online tutorials. There's a wealth of knowledge available online that can aid in your learning process. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep at it, and soon, playing piano chords will feel as natural as breathing. To summarize, piano chords are groups of notes played together, and chord progression is the order in which these groups are played. Remember, mastering these elements is crucial to your piano learning journey. Thank you for tuning in to Groovecraft Theory. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and follow for more music theory lessons. Keep practicing and keep grooving.